Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then it knows what to rank you for. So you'll see I put in your URL here and then check out your H1 tags. And right now you currently have an H1 that's a phone number. So the H1 is like the main heading on your website, which would be in place of, when you go to your website, in place of this right here, or maybe even right here. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. So the metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Sonoma County plumbers. So all these blue lines here, those are the metadata. You can see that the top guy, he's talking about Sonoma County plumbing, or Sonoma County plumbers, and that's why they're in the top position. So right now, I found you on page 3 in Google when I did a search for Sonoma County plumbers, and part of that is just because your metadata. So if you go back here, your metadata is really Exact Plumbers can integrate all the foundation level systems in your home, water, gas, electric, and investment with earth-friendly solutions. So I'll bet you if you just Googled even plumbers can integrate all the foundation level systems in your home, I bet you'd be at the top spot because Google sees that and they think that's what your page is about. So if somebody were to Google that, you'd be at the top. But obviously nobody's going to know to Google that when they're looking for a plumber. They're going to Google stuff like Sonoma County plumber, Sonoma County plumbing, or a similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. And then also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because, if you keep Googling yourself and then as the weeks go by, you keep checking for the same Sonoma County plumbers, and slowly, Google's going to start moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead, you want to always use a third-party tool. I actually went ahead and used Rank Tracker. And if you want, you can get a free subscription for a month. If you want, it's just you put in your URL here. You can see I put you in here, and then you just add your keywords, and then it'll actually pull your rank, and it'll check it every single day. So I have you pulled up here, and you can see right now you're really ranking on page like 3, 4, 5 for these keywords, and that'll change super fast once you change your H1 and your metadata based on whatever your main keyword is. And then also when I went to your website, I saw that in other services, you actually do other things like emergency services and things like that. And we can get you ranked for that, especially in times like these. You can also fix your website, make it more appealing, but most importantly, it'll get you ranked on the first page of Google, which could be most likely double your income because that's where 80 to 90% of traffic is. Most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I mean, I know I don't. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you onto the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time, and I wish you success.